this life is one act. Why do we lay all these traps? We put them right in our path when we just wanna be free. I will not waste my days making up all kinds of ways to worry about all the things that will not happen to me. So I just let go of what I know I don't know, and I know I only do this by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home, living in the moment. I'm letting myself off the hook for things I've done. I let my past go past, and now I'm having more fun. I'm letting go of the thoughts that do not make me strong, and I believe this way can feel the same for everyone. And if I fall asleep, I know you'll be the one who'll always remind me to live in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I can't walk through life facing backwards. I have tried more than once to just make sure, and I was denied the future I'd been searching for. I spun around and hurt no more. By living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I'm living in the moment, I'm living my life, just taking it easy, with peace in my mind, got peace in my heart, got peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I'm living in the moment, I'm living my life easy and breezy, peace in my mind, peace in my heart, peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home, living in the moment. Maybe I annoy you with my choices. You annoy me sometimes too with your voice. But that ain't enough for me to move out and move on. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. We don't have to hurry, you can take as long as you want. I'm holding steady, and my heart's at home. With my hand behind you, I will catch you if you fall. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. Sometimes the world can make you feel you're not welcome anymore, and you beat yourself up, you let yourself get mad. And in those times when you stop loving the woman I adore. You can relax because, babe, I got your back. I got you. I don't wish to change you. You got it under control. You wake up each day different. Another reason for me to keep holding on. I'm not attached to any way you're showing up. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna love you. You're the woman I love.
Okay, let's continue guys, no, sa ating discussion. Of course, we're talking about the yung direction ng coil, no, yung ating bakit ba siya naging additive and bakit ba siya naging subtractive. Okay? Now, paano malalaman yon if Ayun. Paano malalaman yon if the polarity is additive and subtractive? Kunyari, you are given now the transformer, tapos you need to know, no? So ngayon may tinatawag tayong polarity test. Ayan. Okay? So for the transformer polarity test, we have here verifying the polarity of a transformer can be accomplished with a simple voltage test using the following steps. Number 1, make a temporary connection between the primary and secondary terminal. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang ilalagay na between primary and the secondary terminal, so lalagay ka nito ng connection. Remember that di ba, they are not electrically connected. So, isa-short mo ito. Or you'll put a connection here. Tapos, secondary terminals of the left side of the transformer. Okay? Tapos, next, connect a portable voltmeter across the primary and secondary terminals on the right side of the transformer. Tapos, ganito kasi yun eh. Ang i-apply nating voltage dito is yung manageable. Kasi limawa, that's 2,400 down to 240. It's not advisable for us to apply 2,4, syempre. So mag-set lang tayo dito ng 120 volts. So after that, magte-test tayo dito ng voltage. So syempre, makukuha mo yung secondary, di ba? Let's say 120, tapos 10 yung kanyang A. 12 na lang sa kabila. Pag nag-subtract yun, subtractive siya. Pero pag nag-add yun, that will be additive siya. Okay po? So ganun ang itsura nun. Ganun lang yung paraan para malaman kung ano yung polarity ng ating transformer. Okay. So next thing is this. Ngayon, if this is the IEEE standard, the general requirements for liquid immersed distribution, power and regulating transformers. Ngayon, ang sabi dito, all single phase transformers in sizes 200 kVA and below, having high voltage ratings of 8660 volts and below, shall be additive. Yun. Kasi nga, di ba, kanina pag-usapan natin, na paano yun, sir, may mga additive kaya na hindi na gustong baguhin ng mga manufacturer. Yes. And since mababang voltage, hindi naman gaano naapektuhan ng voltage stress, lahat ng mga voltage rating na tawag ko dito 8660 volts and below 8660 volts. Dapat ito ay additive. Ibig sabihin, yung E that's greater than 8660 volts, subtractive na siya. Ang gagamiting transformer, okay? So that it will not affect the voltage. The voltage stress will not, alam niyo yun, yung magkaroon talaga ng effect with the transformer itself. Tapos, ganun din sa kVA naman is 200 kVA and below, no? 230 kVA. So, ibig sabihin, 200 pala, sorry. 200 kVA and below. So, ano kayo 230? Tapos, subtractive naman siya pag malaki na ng 200 kVA. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo dito, meron siyang graph no, na pinakita na pag 200 kVA pababa at 8660 volts pababa, ano siya, additive ang gagamitin na a transformer na with additive polarities ang gagamitin. Pero pag lagpas dyan, subtractive dapat. Okay? Okay lang po. So, ayan, I took a screenshot and sent it to you na. Let's proceed. Number 35. A polarity test is performed upon a 1150 down to 115 volts transformer. If the input voltage is 116 volts, calculate the voltmeter reading if the polarity is subtractive. Okay. So now, ang kanya daw na naging input voltage is 116. So ito yung transformer natin, no? 1150 down to 115. Okay? So anong ginagawa doon? Teka lang. So ako gusto ko lang talagang i-illustrate to. Ginagawa is this one and this one, we make a temporary connection. Okay? Tapos after that, ano daw yung in-apply natin na voltage that will be? Ang in-apply na voltage dito is, in the primary ba? Input is 116 volts. Yan. It is applied there. Okay. So inanap, calculate the voltmeter reading. Yan. Ano daw ang magiging reading ng ating voltmeter? Kung ang i-input natin dyan ay 116. Okay, so first we need the ratio. Ang ratio nyo ay 1150 down to 115. Okay po. So ibig sabihin, we'll be able to get, it's your secondary voltage. 1150 over 115 is equal to 116 over Vs. So ang ating Vs becomes, where is my calculator? Ayun. 116 times 115 over 1150, which is 11.6, no? 11.6 volts. Ang sabi, if the polarity is subtractive, ang mababasa ng ating meter ay 116 minus 11.6. Pag additive polarity, mag-a-add siya. So, plus 116. We'll get there, 127 and 6 volts. So, that becomes our answer for that, 127.6. Okay, so, take time to copy. Okay? Next to it is the three-phase transformer connection. This one, hindi pa ito yun ha, yung transformer connection. Kumbaga, this is just an example of a developed one-line diagram, the single line diagram, and makakita tayo ng ganito pagka nasa power system analysis and design na tayo. Okay? Pero, my point there is, example, if we try to zoom in here, teka kasi laser ko ito. If we want to zoom in here, makikita natin ito, that this one, it has a connection of transformer with delta siya, delta Y. No, ganyan siya, no, delta Y siya. Tapos siya ay 115 kV, kilovolt down to 13.8 kilovolt. Tapos the percent impedance is 8% per unit, no? Okay, so parang 0.08 per unit. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ibig sabihin, its primary winding is connected in delta and its secondary winding is connected in Y. And nangyayari talaga siya. Okay, and tawag ko dito, ibig sabihin, in three-phase transformer connection, pwede tayo magkaroon ng delta sa primary and Y sa secondary. With this, ito yung apat that we need to remember. So number one, the YY connection. For YY connection, mapapansin nyo, di ba parang ito yung parallel version? Kasi kinukuha natin yung first terminal. Ito, yan. Ito. And ito. Ito yung connected to the three-phase line. Yung kanilang mga second terminals connected to neutral. Ganun din yun sa may kabilang side. Of course, we have the delta Y, wherein kapag ka-delta, yung beginning niya is connected to the end of the other winding. Pagka naman nasa B, yung end ng A mo is connected to the beginning of B, the end of B is connected to the beginning of C. And yung junction nun is connected to the three-phase line. Okay? So, pag ganun din, pag delta-delta, and of course, pag Y-delta. Ayan. Okay, so we have here, this one. Ayan, tanong. Sir, excuse lang po, bakit po nag-add yung 160? Ano ginawa ko? Ay, inad ko ba? Sorry, dapat to subtraction. Ayan, inad ko pala, no? That's 116 minus 11.6 dapat. Oo, 104.4 pala. Okay, nawala sa mind ko. Oo, ano yung paling ginagawa ko? This is 104.4 pala. Ayan. Sakto kasi may sagot no? Oo. So ito yan, 104.4 siya. Ayan, sige. Sige, copy lang ito. Yun yung tamang sagot, no? Tanggalin ko lang to. Yan. Okay, so I guess okay tayo. And of course, ito na yon, yan yung apat na connection natin. Now, there is this one special connection that happens kapag in three-phase circuits or may I say in three-phase connection of transformer. This is what we call the open delta connection. In open delta connection, kapag yung sa delta-delta natin, nawala yung isa. Kasi pag natanggal yung isa doon, connected pa rin naman siya sa three lines. Ngayon, paano nangyayari yun? Or bakit nangyayari yun? Number one, the three-phase load is comparatively small. Ibig sabihin, pwede na yung dalawa. Kaya na siya ng dalawang transformer bank. Second, kapag yung isa doon sa open delta connection is nag-fail, pwede pa rin siyang connected pa rin siya sa tatlong line, no? Kasi it's something like this eh. Parang ito yung coil 1, coil 2, and ito open siya, no? Connected pa rin siya sa three-phase line. Ayan. Kaya although in repair yung isa, matutuloy pa rin yung service kasi tawag ko dito, yung connection kasi nung delta nyo is from 2 point, no? For example, ito, no? A to B, B to C, tsaka C to A siya. So ganoon na naging ganoon na naging condition, no? Tapos next naman is tawag ko dito, no? Ino-open delta, wala talagang transformer doon. Kasi in the future, pag tumaas na yung loading, saka lalagyan ng pangatlong transformer. Okay po? So that becomes our setup in open delta. Now, sa open delta naman, itatandaan nyo lang yung mga important na, what do you call that one? Importanting mga computation, no? Okay, proceed tayo. So dito, sabi, two identical transformer bank on open delta serve a balanced three-phase load on 26 kVA at 240 volts 60 Hz. What is the minimum size of each kVA needed to solve to serve this load? Simple lang ito. For us to know that in open delta kasi, ang kaya ng iserve ng open delta is equal to yung VV ha, that's an open delta. Pag nakita kayo ng mga ganyang question. Sa open delta kasi is, di ba po, pag balance na three-phase siya at hindi siya open delta, let's say delta-delta siya. Kung balance ka, ang kinikerry ng isang transformer is over 3 lang yun. No? But this time, pag meron kang balance na three-phase load, pag naka-open delta, we divide it by square root of 3 instead. Hindi by 2 ha, by square root of 3. So, ibig sabihin, ano yung load doon? That's 26 kVA all over square root of 3. Ang S open delta becomes 26,000 over square root of 3. 15.011, no? 15.011 in kVA. So, ganun lang siya i-compute, no? Oo. So, ibig sabihin, it is the minimum size of each kVA to serve the load. Hindi pwedeng kapag naka-open delta siya, tapos 26 kVA is maglalagay niya ng 1313. Hindi pwedeng gano'n. Kailangan ano siya, i-divide nyo na square root of 3, that should be the minimum size. And that's 15 kVA, 15.011. Para mapunan niya talaga yung 26 kVA. Okay? So that's for the open delta. Next to it is this, number 37. A three-phase customer has a maximum demand of 85 kVA. What transformer rating shall be used if connected open Y, open delta? Okay. Check nyo lang dito yung pinakadulo. Kung open Y kasi siya, natanggal yung isa kasi Y connected siya doon. Importante yung sa load side, no? So, ganun din yung gagawin natin for that one. For that one, ang S open delta natin is yung S ng 3-phase na 85 kVA divided by square root of 3. So, ang S natin ng open delta becomes this one. 85,000 over square root of 3. We have 49.075. 075 kVA. Ito yung transformer capacity ito. No? Pero ang tanong kasi sa atin is not the capacity, but the rating. Pag rating, kung paano yung pagkaka-manufacture ng transformer. Sabihin, kung kailangan natin ng 49, ang rating natin will be 50 kVA. Yan. Okay, so that will be your answer for that. Kaya yung capacity yung kinompute natin for open delta, yung pagdating sa rating, dapat 50 ang gagamitin natin. Yan. Sige po, let's copy lang. Tapos, next nun is this number 38. Okay. What type of transformer bank is used to convert two-phase to three-phase power? Means the SCAT connection. Drawing ko ang SCAT connection ha for us to to have a familiarity with it. Dalawang single phase kasi yon, yung two-phase na sinasabi niya. So let's say, kaya siya SCAT T kasi pa letter T siya. No? So this is the way I draw it. Though, baka makita kayo sa ibang diagram. So this one will be, ito yung para sa una. No? Yan. Ay, ano ba naman ito? Teka lang. That side. Sige, ito na lang.